Just for the hell of it, got one more sewing machine. Just for fun at the end of the video. This is my great grandma's machine. I believe it's a white MW. For some reason I got white in my mind is what this thing is. I've used it before. It still works great. It just needs, in fact, I think I bought one. I have the little drive wheel, little rubber drive wheel. Back yesteryear, but I think it's a neat thing, and I think it's neat that it's in a wood case like this table. I've been using it as a lamp stand for years, but I have used this thing to sew with, and it's just I like old tools and things. And if you need a sewing machine, it's an important thing to you, and things from this era were important to people like my great-grandmother that had them, and they just made things better. All right, that's it. Fair winds. Cheers.